Hey yo, the time is now. Strap on your boots, strap on the helmet, and get ready for liftoff. Bitcoin is about to take off. Bitcoin has just skyrocketed over the last hour and 24 hours due to this announcement. The 2-week window opens up. So this 2-week window is for potential approval of Bitcoin spot ETFs, including BlackRock's application. According to Bloomberg analysts, the Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, has a small window starting tomorrow to potentially approve 12 pending Bitcoin exchange traded fund applications, including the likes of BlackRock, iShares Spot, BTF.
We are hearing from clients around the world about the need for crypto. I mean, when you think about, I think some of this rally is way beyond the rumor. I think the rally today is about a flight to quality. And I think there's more people running into a flight to quality, whether that is in treasuries, gold, or crypto, depending on how you think about it. And I believe crypto will play that type of role as a flight to quality.
The floodgates are about to open up for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in tons. I mean, trillions of dollars are going to flow into this space. Don't be the one on the sidelines just watching everything go up.
I believe the next generation for markets, the next generation for securities will be tokenization of securities. And if we can have that distributed ledger that we know every beneficial owner, every beneficial seller, we all have our code of who's buying, who's selling, instantaneous settlement.
Joining us now, someone who very much has a dog in that fight, ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood. Also joining us, Tom Lydon, Vice Chairman of VettaFi. Cathie, you're one of the 9 applicants for a spot Bitcoin ETF. It does look like the SEC may be forced to approve a spot Bitcoin ETF. Can you tell us what, if any, communications you've had with the SEC and what else we might know about this? How do we push the ball forward here?
So what we see here is a little bit of a change in the SEC's behavior. They actually are asking questions, and we provided 5 pages along with our partner of answers to those questions. So progress, we would say, yes.
Yeah, one thing I noticed, Cathie, is that the interest in Ether futures ETFs, which only started a couple of weeks ago, and we had some of the people on from ProShares involved in that, it's been rather muted since they were introduced a couple of weeks ago. I'm wondering if a spot is going to move the needle this time. It's interesting because Bitcoin's been sideways for months, and yet we've known that this ruling came in, and it's known that they likely may not appeal, and yet doesn't seem to be moving Bitcoin. It's up a little bit today. Is interest a little more muted in Bitcoin than it used to be?
Judging by the questions we're getting, no. I think many people focus on our price target for Bitcoin, and our base case is over $600,000 by the year 2030, and they really want to understand that. So maybe they're just trying to understand our research, but there's definitely a focus on, is this a new asset class that I should investigate? And I would say institutions, especially, when they see the SEC seal of approval in this way, I think this will finally bring institutional interest into Bitcoin.
But like I always say, this is not financial advice. This is just infotainment for your head top. So tap in for more.